Hi people, welcome. Today I just wanted to do a little bit of an update of what's going on inside my DarwinX accounts. Now one is thriving, okay, and the other one I'm slowly picking up. This one, okay, is in profit of 276,362. Okay, that's not bad going, considering that I was started with 100k deposit. Okay, so the balance of this account is 336,022 pounds 94 pence. Okay, what I done basically is I stuck by my guns. I stuck by using my support and resistance lines, which I'm always homing on and telling people about, which I'm going to be telling you now. Let's go over here. And you'll see that here's the support and resistance lines. You'll see that this one here, okay, which is a recent support which I've used before, has been heavily respected. Okay, so what could happen here is this could either hit, have a retest, and it might come down again, and it might come down to this line here. This is a very powerful line because this is support. If we look at this, it's support here, and if we bring in, you'll see that this is quite a very powerful support line. Okay, this line here. So I'm just giving you a little bit of a rundown of how I actually make money online by using the DarwinX accounts, and I'm just going to take you over to the DarwinXzero account. Even though I was in severe drawdown, you can survive from drawdown, okay, which is really good. You'll see that my return now is 16.9%, which is really good. Okay, I've got my magic number, which is my guaranteed allocation of 75, which is 91.17. okay, so I could easily get a 50 to a 75k allocation from that. And my other allocation, as you can see, will run out shortly, and then hopefully my other allocation will start, because I get an allocation every 3 months. All right, so the idea of this system is that you've got a income coming into your account every 3 months. Now if you do it right and you open up another account, okay, then you're going to get another income. Okay, what I'm going to show you, because I think it's very important, we're just going to log in, and I'm just going to log in very quickly. Into my account. And I'm going to show you my account. Okay, so we'll just give this time to warm up, okay, because in a minute it's going to come up with all the information that we require. You can see pretty much what I said to you before. There's a Black Friday deal at the moment, 10% off permanent allocations. This is really good because, you know, permanent allocations are brilliant because they give you 100k, okay, and all you need to do is, if you buy one for $145, you just need to make sure that you get your 20% return. Okay, if you get like a 20% return, this fires up your allocation. So you can see I'm at 16.90. okay, so you could argue, for argument's sake, that it isn't going to be long before my allocation is going to kick off. And if I go to my payments and my allocations, I have a 100k allocation, which is on here as well, and this is my 100k allocation here. I'm 32.72% before I start to reach it. Now what's really interesting about this, ladies and gentlemen, is that this shows you what I will be expected to get in my January, okay, so which is $619.79, or pounds I should say. So I'm going to be looking at receiving this in January, and this is one of my accounts. Okay, now I am setting up another account which has only been running for about 3 or 4 weeks, so I'm nowhere near getting the allocations. I've got my allocations. I brought my lifetime allocations at $245. Why not, right? It makes sense to do that because it's just giving you a peace of mind, and also it's giving you another avenue that you can use to make money online. So that's the very reason why I brought that. Okay, and if we go to my payments and my earnings, you'll see that after the first 3 months of running this system, you'll see that I've made $399.65. You'll also see that the permanent allocation, which I used using this money, I paid $145, and I also paid for my subscription using my money as well at $38. And if we look up, you'll notice that my total withdrawn, okay, it's $183. You'll see that my earnings available to withdraw is $216.65. So this account is running fully on automatic, okay. And what's great about this is if you look over to here, these are my manual trades that I took. You'll see that I locked in my take profit margins, which are right here. All these hit off today, okay. And you'll see that to start with, if we look at the date, you'll see that it is the 25th. So if we go to the 25th, bear in mind that these were triggered, okay. I set these up on the 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd, and you'll see that the 25th, which is here, these are the times when these were taken, okay. So you'll see that this one here closed, okay, at 8:07 p.m, 8:07 p.m. Remember, this is Luxembourg, so they're a few hours ahead of us, okay. The real time here is 6:15. You'll see 16:20, 16:20, 5:28 and 5:28. So these are really important for you to concentrate on these, okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 trades, okay. And if we look at the profit within inside those 6 trades that I've made today, if we go to the calculator, this is really important for me to show you this, because what this is doing is just giving you an idea of how you can actually put my DarwinX method into action, and you can start to make money without you know, the same way that I'm doing here. So if we go by when the trade was closed, which is on the 25th, so this one for argument's sake, which is 2781 to 2781, I'm not going to worry about the pence, okay. I'm just going to go by that. Then there's 6766, 6766. Now bear in mind that these are all XAU USD. You see, look, all XAU USD. 3347, so 3347 plus 3380, 3380 plus and then we've got 6456. That's weird, isn't it? 6456, 6456 plus and then we've got 7338, 7338. Okay, so what I'm showing you is that going by using my system, okay, which is the manual system, setting up support and resistance lines, I've managed to make £30,068, okay, or dollars, okay. This is what I've made. Now this is why when you go over to my DarwinX account, okay, this is my Darwin, that you will see that I am currently the 72nd out of Darwin, okay. Now what this means, okay, I'm just going to explain this to you so you've got an idea. Just going to move this over here. This means that out of 7,623 people, I am 72nd top rated trader with inside DarwinX, okay. So just letting you know that, because that's, in my eyes, that's a really good achievement, right? And also you'll see that this is my profit calendar, if you like. You see I hit severe drawdown here. We went up, went up. We made some really nice profit here. We've come down. I'm still inside the profit margin, okay, which is around about this line here, even though it's dropped, and then I've gone back up, and then I've gone back down, and I've gone back up. This is healthy, okay. This is a healthy account, because it shows that I'm going up, right? As soon as it comes down, I'm reloading, if you like, waiting for it to go up, waiting for it to come down, reloading, if you like, waiting for it to go up. That's what trading is all about. okay? And if you have a DarwinX account, when you work on it and you execute these things, it's going to show you that my winnings, okay, is 66.67%, which ain't too bad, okay? That's not a bad thing. And my annualized return is 35%, okay? So what this means is that all this information here, okay, it shows you that my current Darwin allocation received is 90,000. Then I've got my total Darwin allocation received is 120,000, okay, and then I've got on top of that, I've got my other allocation, which I've got to show you. Let's just go over here, which is, if I go here and I go to allocations, I've then got my 100k allocation that I can use as well, okay? So you know, it's really great, because what I'm showing you here works, okay? You're seeing everything that I show, and I'm this one here, okay? This is my other allocation. This is my secure 100,000 permanent allocation. Now what this means is I have to hit a certain progress, okay, up to here, which is 100%, and then this then will be energized, and anything I make over that, I will have another income of money coming in. Remember, this is one account, okay, and I'm already siphoning money off this account as we look. So you can see that I'm going to be enjoying £619.79, which is going to be in the January area, okay. This is what I will be looking forward to achieve, okay? So hopefully this has given you a little bit of an idea. I do want to show you, because I like to be transparent, I'm going to take you over to my other account, which is this one here. And this one, okay, is my Darwin MT4 account. And this one I've had heavy drawdown with this, okay, because I don't know if you've watched some of my videos, but what I done is when I had to go to work for 3 days and I forgot to shut the trades down. But you see that my profit, okay, I need to work on my profit at the moment, is $939.21. And you'll see that my balance is 71,000, my equity is 72,000. This was a 100k account, okay, so I'm building this back up, but I'm building this up with bots that are profiting for me, okay, and this is a perfectly good example of why I'm using bots, okay, because if bots can do it, it means that these are going to do it, you know, without you having to worry or sit around a computer. I'm showing you how these can generate money. You'll see that this is making $1,247, okay. So you can see it's going up in profit. You can see what we're doing, etc. We go to the account details. This will have a lot of losses on it as well. You'll see that these are the losses here. This was the loss that I incurred, which was 63,000, okay. Don't worry about that. I'm going to get that back up before you know it. And you will I will show you how I do that using my manual trading, which, you know, I do on my MT5 account, because XAU USD is one that I heavily trade with, by finding high support and low resistant lines, okay, and this is how I get into the market and get out of the market, okay. So hopefully that's going to give you some information of what I'm doing here. You're getting an idea of what bots I'm using, etc. So the idea of this video is just to fill you in, show you what profits margins I've made, okay. So you'll see that my balance is 336,022, okay. My equity, this means that this is the money that you know, if I could trade with if I want to, which is 336,022. And you'll see that I've closed the trade. I've got an XAU USD buy limit trade, which is 2532, which will open up if it falls below this point, okay. And then what this will do is this will buy, and then I'll probably make a couple of K on that as well, by this trade system that I use, okay. Now if you're really interested and you want to learn, if you're already watching this on Telegram, then you don't need to worry about me trying to sell my trading academy, because you're already a member, and you're already benefiting and enjoying the bots. In fact, there's over 42 plus bots that you can actually start to set up and use which are going to give you profits and help you build these systems of what I show you. This is just one segment of what I show you with inside my trading academy. I also show you how to manually trade. I also show you lots and lots of other stuff. Okay, I just haven't got time to tell you. Okay, what you want to do, if you click on the link below, if you're watching this on YouTube, and it will take you over to a page, okay, and then you'll be able to look for yourself. You'll be able to see Breckle in action, where I make £7,500 in a space of around about 15 minutes, something like that. And also I show you my blueprint, which you can actually do right now and learn to set it up yourself without actually going into my trading academy. My trading academy is only going to speed you up into getting into sales quicker and making money quicker. That's the very reason why I built my trading academy, is to give you the tools and the methods that you require to make it successful. However, I give you the blueprint completely free, so you can actually set it up right now and do it. If you do decide to do that, okay, what I would urge you to do is just click and use my link, okay, because my link will give you 25% off. And that's quite a very good thing. You'll see that this link here, which is DWZ215496MGM, this is going to give you 25% off. Okay, it's going to give you a 25% discount, which is really going to help you, okay, because it's going to allow you to start up. Because my system is designed that within 3 to 4 months, this system should be running on its own. Okay, that's the whole idea. And you'll see that this one is running on its own now. Okay, so we're profiting every 3 months on this system, and this is literally running on its own profits. Okay, plus any more profits that we make, I can either take it out, I can get another account, I can put it into my account, I can put it into my bank account. You know, it's money, it's your money. Okay, so once you've earned this money, this is your money. And I show you exactly how you're going to do that and how you're going to set all that up. So that's it. That's the end of this video. All the very best. I hope to see you in the Trading Academy. All the very best until my next video. Thank you. Bye now.